How a drop of water becomes a tsunami. This is a peace camp. No toxic fog is needed. No sonic bomb is needed. No military police is needed. No killing drones are needed. No dogs or bullets are needed. No grenades to concuss our brains. No water cannon to freeze our bones. We come here to spread love on earth. We come to keep earth a blue, clean place. We are here at Standing Rock Camp. It has over about 7,000 people gathering here. This is truly a UN, United Nations. At Standing Rock, confluence of the Missouri and Cannonball, a Lakota woman pitched a teepee to stop DAPO from drilling under their drinking water. Then a second stood up, a third, then a camp, then 200 nations against the oil industry. I traveled to the camp in November and December 2016 with cedar, winter gears, medicine, food, and 2,000 prayer flags made along the Mississippi, Yangtze, Ganga, Amazon, Everest. They fluttered along the cannonball, around the camp. They lifted spirits. People photographed, filmed, and made their own prayer flags. At their request, I left some flying on the hills overlooking DAPO troops. Kinship of River flags fluttered above our heads, above the cannonball. They have traveled around the world, blessed by rivers, mountains, and Dalai Lama, now blessed by the Standing Rock spirit. We are water, 75% of us, our bones, hair, organs, brain, flesh, blood. All water moves to rivers. All rivers move into seas. All seas connect as Panthalassa. To pollute one drop of water is to pollute all rivers, all seas. We shall stand here till blizzard fall on us. We shall stand till truth blossoms, and no more pipelines to burn our water and land into inferno. We shall stand till buffaloes and rivers run free. We shall stand till the world becomes one nation of peace. This is the nature of water, the best solvent and equalizer, the best cleansing agent, the most generous and free-spirited, the foundation for life, including rocks, and the oldest element out of the Big Bang. H2O, two hands cradling an open heart. Water feels, water sees, water is. Around 2 p.m., we entered the camp into a sea of singing and dancing. Riders stood on their horses, cheering. Girls beat drums and danced on top of RVs. I grabbed a young man and asked him what was happening.
What do we do now?
So, okay, could you tell us how do you feel about the news?
I feel that we've really, I don't know, I feel like we've probably really proven something about prayer here.
Okay.
That when, at the very moment that we were getting the entire camp together to have one unified prayer, everybody holding hands all around Ocheti Shakuin, at that very moment, we get the news that the pipeline is dead, the permits have been denied.
Awesome. Standing Rock is a tsunami of joy. Is it a miracle? The camp prohibits weapons and violence, including self-defense, no matter what DAPO releases on them. Dogs, mace, rubber bullets, grenades, water cannons, drones, strip search, dog kennels, jail, huge fines. The camp has no electricity, no running water, no internet, no luxury guzzling 80 million barrels of oil a day. This is all I need, all we need. Land, water, sage, prayer. I've never been so happy, said Buffalo Hare. I've never seen him smile so big, so deep. Prayers follow the laws of mind and matter, indestructible like H2O. They also go beyond the laws of matter. When they sync with God's volition, that's when miracle happens. That's how a drop of water becomes a ripple, becomes a wave, becomes a tsunami.